Is Fox News app not working on Roku? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Roku device. Many users have reported that while they try to watch Roku Fox News app, the app suddenly displays a no connection error. For some users, the app gets stuck during commercial breaks and does not return to the live stream. The app sometimes also freezes or repeats the same 20 seconds of content over and over again, requiring a restart. For other users, when trying to resume watching, the app gets stuck at 13% and does not continue playing. So, when you find Roku Fox News app is not working, restart the device. Turn off your device, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Open the channel and see if the problem is fixed. If not, reconnect the network. Method 2. Reconnect the network. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Settings. Then select Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Now choose your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select Connect. Method 3. Update the app. Outdated app version on your device can be the reason why you are getting this error. So, check if any update has been released. To update an app or channel on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then press the right directional button. Next, highlight the app or channel you want to update. Here we are showing this channel for example. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 4. Clear cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 5. Reinstall the channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the channel. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Here we are taking this channel for example. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you shouldn't get the error. Method 6. Contact the channel support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, then you can contact the specific channel support team for further assistance. For Fox News, you can visit the site and follow instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The way to fix the issue when Fox News app is not working on Roku. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.